Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming. And now we have debate time about homework. The pro side is Joaquin and the contra one for Diozel. Okay, first of all, now we have time for Joaquin to give opening statement. Thank you. The floor is yours, Joaquin.
Hello people, my name is Joaquin. I'm from SMAK Penabur Harapan Indah, and today I'm going to talk about why homework is an important aspect of a children's life. Many people say that homework is not important or that homework reduces the kids' mental and physical energy. But I personally think that it's not true because having homework means you can still sharpen your minds at home, and having homework makes you smarter even though you're not at school. Because I personally think you shouldn't only learn from school but also learn from your home, because you will memorize your materials from school easier. And by doing homework, you can do that at home. And I think when teacher gave homeworks, it's not as heavy as the worksheet at school, and at home you can ask your friends. So homework doesn't really reduce anything from you, but homework makes you smarter.
Okay, thank you, Joaquin. Any more?
No.
Okay, now we go to contra side. Diozel.
Children need free times. These free times allows children to relax and explore the world that they are living in. These free times give them valuable skills that they wouldn't learn in a classroom, such as reading a book, ride a bike, or socialize with friends or family. Having leisure times teach us valuable skills that not acquired when doing homework at computer. Plus, we need to get enough exercise. Getting exercise can improve our cognitive function, which might be hindered by sedentary activities such as homework.
Okay, enough?
Now,
Thank you, Diozel. Now we go to Joaquin. Do you agree with Diozel's opinion?
No, I do not agree with Diozel's statement.
Can you give your opinion?
Diozel said that by doing homework, you will need to stand in front of a computer. And I think that is just plain wrong. Teachers nowadays still give homework from paper. Plus, I think that standing in front of your computer for 30 minutes is a good expense for your mind being sharper. Also, leisure time, I think it's just plain wrong, because you have weekends, and that is what weekends are for you to socialize and do stuff with your family. Now, I am aware that some teacher gave homeworks on Fridays and you have to finish it by Monday, but I think in Monday not every subject just appears and you have to learn everything at Monday. Maybe there are some from Tuesday and Wednesday, and I think if you can divide your time enough, you can do it on Monday night, Tuesday night, or whatever it is, whatever night is before the subject, so you can still have some leisure time on your weekends and you can study on your weekdays.
Okay, thank you, Joaquin. Now we go to Diozel. Do you have any opinion about Joaquin says statement?
Socialize, play games, and have leisure time or have resting time. And I think that on weekdays you are supposed to learn like how other kids are supposed to study. So because the school have of studying, and 2 days of resting won't harm you. Instead, it will shape your mind into a greater shape, and it will make you have better education than you don't have right now. And I think that by having homework, It makes it so that you can still be smart at home and not only in school. Because based on statistics, 66% of people forget what they have learned in school. So I think they need to revise it at home also.
Okay, thank you, Joaquin. How about you, Dio? Do you agree with Joa?
Let me think on my experience. Based on my experience, we can still play at the afternoon, like playing football, basketball, or the other thing. But we can study in the night. So if we don't even need homework.
Gitu
Okay.
dong.
Okay, enough, Diozel? Okay, thank you. How about you, Joaquin?
Udah.
Do you have any opinion?
Nggak
About
ditanya lagi,
Diozel?
does it disagree or not?
Do you agree with Diozel?
I personally doesn't agree with what Diozel says. Ininya.
Okay, next we go to Joaquin. How about you, Joaquin?
I think that what Dio says when saying based on personal experience is a type of logical fallacy. With this, that being what you shouldn't have to say to prove your logical statements based on your data. What Dio says, he says that it's based on my experience and it falls into the anecdotal fallacy, which is the fallacy occurs when you fail to give your expected statements because you are using your personal experience. Why? Because people out there, they have different experiences with you, and by you using personally by yourself, it means that you only take the data from yourself, and I personally think it's wrong. Again, when I said 66%, it already has the data occurred there, and I think that that data is correct because it has been researched by multiple people. While yourself, you have anecdotal fallacy, which is the fail of explaining the logical things because you only have the data to yourself. So I think that you should see other people and not only be selfish and see yourself. Again, what I meant to say is that homeworks do tend to help you wherever you are, and by doing homework you can still play at weekends. Some parents are also stricter because they're also more ambitious for their kids to go to more top universities like UI, Umbra, ITB, ITS, and that's why homework is needed at home so they can still sharpen their minds at home. Because most people, or not most, but many other people, maybe they consider that education is more important than having leisure time and socializing. Why? Because socializing for them is easier and they can just do it everywhere. But studying is an important aspect of their life. So I think that giving homework is good because it will help people who want to study still sharpen their minds while you can still play at weekends.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you for your statement. Diozel, do you have any opinion?